how does calm, Greek Trojan princesses, lakes, and being joyful have anything to do with each other? Today I'm going to share with you what my first name, middle name, and last name means. First, my first name. So my first name is Cassandra. I absolutely hate the name with a passion. I'd much rather go by Cassie. But for the sake of this speech, we'll just stick with Cassandra. So what I have found, I think this is a pretty cool story. There's a Greek myth that Cassandra is a Greek Trojan princess who was a prophet. And she was cursed by Apollo, and all her prophecies became false. Something else I learned was it also means prophet. And a prophet is someone who claims to hear something from a divine power and shares it with somebody else. So like from God, or I don't really know the religions, but lots of different religions, lots of different cultures. On dictionary.com, I learned that Cassandra is a Greek word meaning helper of men. What I feel like I really embrace this because I get great joy helping other people. When I can serve somebody, like it puts a smile on my face. I try my hardest to put others first. I do everything I can to help others. Like in my job, I work in a group home. I take care of my clients, and when I'm able to give to them and make their night better and put a smile on their face, it actually does something in me, and it makes me just feel who I'm supposed to be. It makes me just get into my little Cassie spot where I'm like, yeah, this is who I'm supposed to be, this is where I'm supposed to be at. So I really do feel like Cassandra is very fitting for me and what I like to do in my life. Second, I like to share with you my middle names. That's right, I have two middle names. I'm kind of unique. My first middle name is Alyssa. Alyssa means joy, great happiness, means being noble. What I learned noble means is having higher standards or a higher set of morals. And I feel like I really do embrace this. I really feel like I have set higher standards in my life and for everything that I do. I feel like I always strive to do what's beyond what's right, but even higher than what's right. I really do like to live my life like an example for others. Like in my job, I don't just take the easy way out. I go above and beyond for them. If they need something, I'm going to do it to the best of my ability. I'm not going to take any shortcuts. I'm really going to make sure that they're getting everything that they need and really make sure that I take care of them because they can't really take care of themselves, and that's why I'm there. My second middle name is Lynn. On thinkbabynames.org, I learned that it means lake, waterfall, pool. It also means pretty. I think that I really do embrace my middle name, Alyssa, more so because I feel like I have a lot of joy. I feel like I'm a really happy person. I feel like I have found just this new strike of life where I just embrace that joy, and I feel like I just really can spread it around with people. If someone's sad, they come to me with a problem, I feel like I'm really able to share happiness with them and help change their day around. It's kind of one of my goals is to make sure everybody ends the day with a smile on their face. Lastly, I would like to share what my last name means, Miller. Miller is someone who works or owns a mill. So what I take that as is working hard. I feel like I'm an extremely hard worker. I currently have 2 majors, 2 jobs, a website, and I help out at my church. I love doing everything to the max. I love putting everything I have into everything that I do. I don't like taking shortcuts. I don't like taking the easy way out. I really like stretching myself, pushing myself forwards. If there's an easy way or hard way, most of the time I just choose the hard way because I like being busy. I like having stuff to do. I like being active. So today I have shared what my first name, middle names, and last name means. Calm are the initials of my name. Greek Trojan princess, lakes, and being joyful are all what my middle names and last name means. I feel like my name meanings give a pretty good description of who I am. I hope that I have inspired you to look, research what your name means, and I'm sure that if you do, it will probably give a pretty good description of who you are.